Starting solid foods is an exciting time for your baby. Baby-led weaning is a way to help your little one learn to eat by feeding themselves soft finger foods. Here are some easy baby-led weaning meals you can prepare for your baby to keep them happy and grow strong. Before starting baby-led weaning, make sure your baby is ready. Most babies are ready around 6 months old. Your baby should be able to sit up without help and hold their head steady. They should show interest in food and try to grab it. Another sign is losing the tongue thrust reflex, which means they do not push food out with their tongue. Starting too early can be unsafe. Always check with your doctor before giving solid foods. When starting baby-led weaning, begin with just one meal each day. This helps your baby get used to solid food slowly. You can choose breakfast, lunch, or dinner, whatever works best for your routine. At first, your baby may only play with the food, and that's okay. Most of their nutrition still comes from breast milk or formula. There are no need to rush or force them to eat. Keep it calm and fun while your baby learns. Banana strips are a great first food for baby-led weaning. They are soft, sweet, and easy for babies to hold. Peel a ripe banana and cut it into long, thick strips. You can leave a little peel at the bottom for easier gripping. Make sure the banana is ripe so it's soft enough to mash with baby's gums. Bananas are full of energy, vitamins, and are easy to digest. They make a quick and healthy snack or part of any meal. Soft cooked sweet potato sticks are perfect for baby-led weaning. First, cut the sweet potato and boil it until soft. Then, remove the skin and mash it with your hands. Add some corn flour to the mashed sweet potato and mix it into a dough. Shape the dough into finger-like sticks to make fries. Steam or bake them until they are soft enough to mash with your fingers. Let them cool down before giving them to your baby. Sweet potatoes are full of vitamins and support your baby's growth. They are naturally healthy for your baby. They make a tasty and safe first food that your baby will enjoy. At the beginning of baby-led weaning, it is important to cut foods into baby-safe shapes. At first, cut food into long, thick strips about the size of your finger. This helps babies hold the food easily with their whole hand. As your baby grows and learns to pick up smaller items, you can offer bite-sized pieces. Always make sure the food is soft enough to mash with your fingers. Avoid small, round, or hard foods that can cause choking. Safe shapes help your baby eat more easily and safely. When making baby-led weaning meals, avoid adding salt and sugar. Babies' kidneys are not ready to handle salt, and sugar is not healthy for them. Keep foods plain and natural so your baby can enjoy real flavors. Too much salt or sugar can harm your baby's health. Instead, use soft herbs like basil or cinnamon to add gentle flavor. Fresh fruits and vegetables have enough natural taste. Simple, clean food is best for your baby's early meals. In the early stages of baby-led weaning, it is best to prepare one food at a time. You can make avocado toast for your baby's meal. First, cut the avocado and peel it. Then, mash the avocado in a bowl. Take a slice of bread and cut it into finger-sized pieces. Spread the mashed avocado on the bread. You can add some flax seeds on top to make it tasty and healthy. Place the avocado toast in front of your baby. This helps your baby focus on the taste and texture of each food. It also makes it easier to watch for any allergic reactions. Simple meals help your baby learn to enjoy eating safely. Broccoli is a great food for baby-led weaning. It is healthy and full of vitamins that help your baby grow. To prepare it, steam the broccoli until it is soft and easy to chew. Cut the broccoli into small, finger-sized pieces that your baby can hold. Let it cool before giving it to your baby. Broccoli has a mild taste that babies usually like. It is a safe and nutritious food for your baby to enjoy. When your baby starts eating solid foods, offer water in a small cup. Using a cup helps your baby learn to drink by themselves. Give just a little water during meals to keep them hydrated. Avoid giving too much water, as breast milk or formula is still important. This practice helps your baby build new skills and stay healthy. A baby weaning high chair is not just useful, it's essential for growing baby. It encourages positive mealtime habits early on and supports healthy posture and physical development. It also promotes independence and sensory exploration and helps establish a safe and contained feeding environment. Suction plates offer several benefits during a baby's weaning phase. They help minimize messes by securely attaching to surfaces, promoting independent eating by providing a stable base for self-feeding. Additionally, they can help babies develop fine motor skills and build confidence in self-feeding. So, by applying these tips and using these products, you can make easy baby-led weaning meals